Hey guys, Dave Santarelli here from BreakingChartAlerts.com. I just wanted to do this quick market recap for you guys to let you guys know what happened today, what we're looking for, and everything else here going on. So first thing, Dow ended the day up about 440 points, 1.6% higher. NASDAQ really took off today. Closed the day up 294 points, up almost 3% for the day. S&P 500 up 67 points, over 2% for the day here. As you can see on the SPY chart in front of us here, SPY daily chart, we have a nice support area right around 335 on SPY that we're looking to hold. Today we got up to that 20. And what I was talking to members about today, it's really important that we're looking for that break tomorrow above that 20-day simple moving average here. So that's what I want to focus in on tomorrow. If we could break above that 20 SMA here, we could be looking for that next breakout to 350, 355, and looking for that continued run. And I was going over examples previously here on SPY chart. As you can see here, last time we had a big pull off and came back down to that 50 simple moving average. You know, we came right back and spiked up higher here. You know, a little bit different circumstances now with the election going on. That's why I think we've seen such a sharp sell-off really quick. So tomorrow, what's really important to me is, let me zoom in a little bit here and let me use my annotation. So right now, if we're finding a candle tomorrow that's above that red, above that blue 20 SMA here, and it looks like that, that's going to be a confirmed breakout off of support here. So that's going to be confirmed breakout off of support right at around that 335 area. I'm horrible at drawing a straight line there, but right around that 335 area, that's our support. So if we get that green candle above that blue 20 SMA tomorrow, then we're going to have all signs go and we have a confirmed breakout off of support here. If we get a red candle tomorrow that it drops below 335 and looks something like this, then we are bullish and we're going to be looking to take advantage of further puts here, and we'll be looking at around 320 as the next support area. So that's really important here, why we were kind of holding off today on trading, because it's really important tomorrow to see what we have. So here's our support right at 320, which we could quickly drop down to, barring any bad or good news that comes out of the market tonight. A couple earnings that came out that are looking pretty good, but 320 is support, and we're looking for a break above that 343. Looking for a break above that 3. So again, what we're looking for SPY, I really want to see that break above that 343 area. We get a green candle above that 343 area, we're going to be looking for a continued breakout up to about 350. We get a candle below that 335, we're going to be looking for a breakdown below 330 and even down to 320, which is a support area there. So it's really important we're watching SPY and Qs tomorrow. We got similar charts both on SPY, Qs here. As you can see, Qs came down to that 270. So that 270 is a really important number here for, let me get up my annotation. That's a really important number here for us going further this week here. So that 270, that's support. If we get a candle below that 270 here on Qs, we're going to be looking for a further breakdown, and we're going to be looking for about that 240 as the next area of support, which is a heck of a drop from where we're at right now. So it's really important when you're having that short-term pullback while you're in the breakout momentum cycle to, number one, be hedging against your longs, and number two, watch for that confirmed breakout if we hold this support area tomorrow. If we do break above that 20 on the Qs and above SPY, I'm going to be adding to our positions, and I'm probably going to be buying back some of the short leg of our October 16th calls that we have. Our vertical spreads that we have for October 16th monthly expo, and that would uncap those potential gains. So we would make money on the short leg, and then we would also make money on the long leg if the markets continue to climb there. So that's a great strategy to watch and use there. So really important, and that's Qs, that's SPY, and then tick out Workhorse. We had a Paycheck trade today. We locked in on Workhorse. Workhorse is soaring here, up about 17% here in after-market hours, still continuing to climb. We locked in a 100% gain on our 1920 vertical spread that we have. So we had a really nice 1920 vertical spread we paid 40 cents a contract for. This morning, we closed it out. We put in a limit order to sell it at 80 cents a contract. So we paid $40 $60 per contract, sold it for $80 a contract. That was our Paycheck trade. It worked out beautifully, and we locked in 100% gain on that Paycheck trade. And now we have another Paycheck trade that's going to be expiring, what was it? September 18th expo here, and that's going to be another nice setup. So nice job on the markets today. We locked in some profits. I was going to add to gold, but I didn't see the opportunity that I wanted to jump into gold yet. But I do think gold's going to continue to climb here ahead of the election. So if you take a look at the gold chart here, we were talking about gold yesterday. This is up over 4% today, continuing to climb. We got some resistance right around $31 a share here on gold. So once we get that resistance there, once we get up to that resistance, if we could break above that 31, this is going to be R1 here, resistance number 1. So if we break above that R1, let's say we get a green candle, above R1 that looks like that, that's where I'm going to be adding and making that. Alrighty, guys. So again, what I'm looking for gold is a climb above that 31 a share. If we climb above 31 a share, I'm going to be adding a gold position going for the November or December monthly expo ahead of this election here. So it's really important. That's what we're trying to look for here. Let's take a look once more again on, let's take a look here on SPY. You could see we're looking to hold that 335 Qs. We need to hold that 275 area. And then on Diamond ETF, we need to hold above that 275. If we drop below 275, we could see Dow down back at 25,000 ahead of this election here. So really important. We got to see if the market has and continues this momentum, and we'll see where we go tomorrow. Great job today, guys. We locked in that Paycheck trade of 100% gain, and we'll see how the markets react tomorrow. But that's what we're looking for. Great day today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Great job, guys. Take care.